Hey everybody, it's Cheryl here, and today's video I'm gonna do a review on an Amazon purchase I had a couple months ago. It's the Kose Softy Mo Deep Treatment Oil. I bought it off on Amazon. It was around like $8 to $10. It's really affordable, and it has 7.8 ounces in it. So I just thought I would do a review on this because I haven't really seen anybody on YouTube talk about this. They usually just talk about the cleansing balms and things like that. So I thought I would put a review in just in case people wanted to know about this product, since it is really affordable and I think it's a really good cleanser. I feel like I did go through this pretty quickly, but that's because I used it morning and nighttime. I would use one pump during the day since I wasn't really wearing any makeup, and I would use my Cetaphil face wash over it, and that worked really great. And at nighttime, whenever I wear makeup, or even when I'm not wearing makeup, I use 2 to 3 pumps every night before I get into the shower. So that's how I use it. Some people like to just wash their face in the sink, but I always wash my face in the shower because it's just really easy for me. On the description, it says it's a deep cleansing facial wash, removes makeup, good for all skin types, cleanses and deep cleans pores, and leaves skin refreshed, purified, and clean. I'm gonna go through all of these factors about it and put my opinion on if these claims really are put up to the test. So the first one was deep cleansing facial wash. I wouldn't say it's deep cleansing because I feel like if you had a very full face of makeup, it wouldn't really remove all of your makeup. Especially like mascara, that was the biggest problem for me. I know that cleansing oils aren't meant to fully make your face super clean, because if you use cleansing oils, you're supposed to double cleanse. So after you use a cleansing oil or cleansing balm, you use a foam wash after. I wouldn't say it's a deep cleansing facial wash. I would say it's makeup remover. Let's say if you use this all over your face and then you rinse it, you would still have mascara. Let's say if you get a toner over there and then rub it all over your face, you would still get a lot of makeup product on it, so it wouldn't be deep cleansing. Number 2, removes makeup. I do agree with that. It was really good at breaking up all the eyeshadow and foundation and face products on my face. The only problem I had was mascara, because I would rub on my lashes really hard and it still wouldn't come off. It's like oil at first, and then once you activate it with water, it turns into kind of a milky liquid, and it makes it really easy to take off the mascara. So I would say it removes makeup decently. Number 3, it's good for all skin types. I do agree with this. I feel like anyone could use a cleansing oil in their routine because it just makes sure that you're removing all of the makeup on your face, because sometimes face wash aren't meant to take off a full face of makeup. Cleansing oils are really good for anyone's routine. Cleanses and deep cleans pores. I'm not sure about this one. I mean, I guess it cleanses your skin in a way by taking off all the dirt and grime on your face. I don't think it deep cleans the pores really. It doesn't prevent acne, I guess. And the last one was leaves skin refreshed, purified, and clean. I would agree with this because after I use this product, I can tell that all of my makeup is removed, and I do notice a difference whenever I wash my face with this versus not washing my face. It just keeps my skin really clear of all the debris on there without stripping off all the oils on my face. On Amazon, it has a 4.5-star rating. I would give it a 4-star rating just because of the mascara issue, because it doesn't really remove regular mascara or waterproof mascara very well. But I really love how affordable this is for everyone. It's less than $10, so that's the main reason I bought it, and also the reviews also. Would I repurchase this again? Probably not, because I always want to find something that's better than this. I'm probably going to try the pink version of this. It's called the Speedy Cleansing Oil. So it's in a pink packaging, but yeah, I'm probably gonna try that soon after I finish this. Now I'm gonna just get to the pros and cons kind of briefly. So the pros of this is that it's affordable, it takes off face makeup very well, and it doesn't strip the skin. And I really do enjoy this product because before I get in the shower, I like to rub this all over my face and just massage it all over my eye makeup and mascara, and it just makes cleaning my face so much easier because my face wash might not be able to take off all of the makeup. And also before I wouldn't use the cleansing oil and my Clarisonic brush would get all gross and have foundation all over it, and now it doesn't, so I really like that too. As well as whenever I tone my face, I see less of my foundation on it, so that's something I really enjoy because I want to make sure all my makeup is off before I go to bed. The cons are that it goes by pretty fast if you use it, well, obviously if you use it a lot, but I just feel like I went through this really fast. Like, it took me like 2 months or 3 months. I expected it to like last more than that, but I do use it frequently, probably because I need more to remove all my product on my face instead of just using like 1 or 2 pumps. Like, I have to use like 2 or 3 pumps. I want to make the most out of all my products that I use. Another con is the whole mascara issue, especially waterproof mascara and even regular mascara. It's not that great at taking it off. Overall, I do enjoy this product. I would give it a 4 out of 5-star rating just because I know that this is actually my first cleansing oil I've ever tried, but I don't think it's the best out on the market right now. I feel like there's better out there. I feel like people give it that high star rating because it is really affordable and accessible. I think this is available in Walmart. I did see it when I looked it up, but I don't know if it's only online on Walmart or if they actually have it in like actual Walmart stores. I'm going to like make a review on all my skincare because I think that skincare is really important in everyday routines. Like, I think it's so important to take time out of your day just to focus on your skin because you only have one skin your entire life. Like, I know it sheds and stuff, but once you have wrinkles, it's hard to go back, you know? I would recommend this product if you want something really affordable and if you wear medium to light makeup, but not if you wear like extremely full coverage makeup. I can't wait to try out more cleansing oils. I'm really excited to. And I am wearing a full face of makeup and it's kind of pretty light makeup actually. Just like ColourPop eyeshadow and mascara, some foundation, blush, not heavy makeup. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a demo for you guys. As you can see, I'm really like working hard to take off all my mascara, but I'm not even gonna try. I'm just gonna shower after this anyways, but oh my god. Oh my god, now my eyes are all foggy now because I got it in my eye. And it's really good at taking off lipstick, actually. Alright, I am back now. I probably look crazy because I still have mascara all smeared out over there, but it's pretty normal about cleansing oils because you're supposed to double cleanse anyways. My skin doesn't feel dry or stripped or anything, which I really like. It's really good at taking off my foundation and everything, just not mascara. There's still mascara on my eyelashes, but I didn't feel like scrubbing really hard because I'm gonna shower anyway. I can't believe I'm ending my video like this, but I hope you guys liked my video. Please make sure and subscribe and like if you like these kinds of videos. Make sure to follow my Instagram at Cheryl_Christine. I'm gonna put it in the video somewhere. Stay tuned for my next video. Have a nice day, guys.